During the COVID-19 pandemic, governments, institutions, organizations, and many others are constantly raising awareness and spreading information regarding the virus. Most especially about the preventive measures that could be taken to prevent the spread of COVID-19. One of the most prominent and important action, other than wearing a mask, is to constantly wash your hands. We can't tell for sure what exactly our hands have touched. Our hands could look clean but may not actually be, especially when we touch our face, considering that it is hard to stop our hands from touching our face. This showcases the importance of washing hands, yet when the faucets we use to wash our hands are clogged, hand washing will take a longer time and would not be as hygienic or sanitary. Thus, I've decided to develop a product that can help fix or unclog faucets in order to provide maximum comfort and hygiene. This can be done by utilizing fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the study of the mechanics of fluids, such as liquids and gas, and the forces exerted upon them. There are many concepts in fluid mechanics, such as Archimedes' principle, buoyancy, Pascal's principle, as well as the Bernoulli equation. However, in this project, I am only utilizing Pascal's principle as well as the Bernoulli equation. Pascal's principle states that in a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion of the fluid and to the walls of the container. To put it simply, when a pressure is applied in a closed system, it will be distributed evenly. The Bernoulli equation states that within a horizontal flow of liquid, points of higher fluid speed will have less pressure than points of slower fluid speed. In simpler terms, if incompressible fluid flows through different sized pipes, the velocity of the fluid changes. Based on this knowledge, I've constructed a hypothesis in which clogged faucets can be fixed using the knowledge of fluid mechanics, as it can help us understand how the faucets are supposed to work ideally. The methods I used in this experiment involves the Gedanken experiment, which is a conceptual rather than actual experiment. Other than that, I've done thorough research regarding fluid mechanic concepts as well as the problem that I chose. I also did observations in order to determine what problem I wanted to choose. This is the product that I made. It has a high-speed fan that is encapsulated in order to create pressure. The capsule is connected to two pipes. Other than that, it is also connected to a power dynamo, which functions to provide energy for the fan so that it can spin at high speeds. The first pipe is connected to a water source, which is one of the essential parts of this product. The second pipe is connected to a hose which shoots out the water, in which it connects to the faucet in order to fix it. When the product is being used, the fan spins at high speed, creating pressure that sucks up the water from the water source. The water then flows to the second pipe and into the faucet, cleaning and/or breaking the clogging factor. This product is related to Pascal's principle as well as the Bernoulli equation because the pressure created by the spinning fan is distributed evenly. Other than that, as the water flows to different pipe sizes, it has different velocities. This project relates and answers the focus question at hand, which is how to transform the new world with the magic touch of physics. As we live in this pandemic, we find new problems as well as new solutions. Hygiene becomes a much more prominent issue, and there are many things done in order to sort hygiene. Utilizing fluid mechanics helps ensure that hygiene stays accessible and available, as it helps unclog faucets, which are essential to reduce the spread of COVID-19, as well as maintaining hygiene and sanitary. Other than the focus question, this project is also related to and answers the big question: why is rationality an essential skill for visionary leaders? Rationality is a necessity, especially during this pandemic. We don't want to overwhelm ourselves by panicking too much, nor by being ignorant. We must be rational in deciding what to do and not to do, as well as solving any problems that might come our way. Visionary leaders will be able to utilize rationality not only to find a solution, but also to ease tensions, raise awareness, collaborate, communicate effectively, and so much more. With rationality, visionary leaders can and will be able to change the world for the better. This project covers the sixth outcome of the Physics 1 class, which is able to conclude solution of a physical case based on concept in fluid mechanics. As this pandemic continues to go on, this project aims to provide a solution, one that is related to the Sustainable Development Goals. The SDG this project is related to is the sixth SDG, regarding clean water and sanitation. This is because my project focuses on providing maximum comfort and hygiene, especially during this pandemic when hygiene is absolutely necessary. Clogged faucets can't provide maximum comfort nor hygiene, and thus my product is capable of solving that problem, showcasing how it is related to the sixth SDG.